Hi everyone, this is Amul Shetty, and here in this particular session we will be learning about the Python for the DevOps. This is the first series in which we'll be learning the basics of the Python, and in the next upcoming series we will talk about some of the advanced topics from the Python. Along with that, some of the use cases where we can use some lambda function, and then how we can integrate or how we can write the code of Python along with some lambda. This is going to be very advanced training ahead. So let's get started with the basic thing first. This is the this particular session we will be having something the basics topics, okay. And then what we'll be covering here in this particular tutorial is this is a slide which is showing the what is Python, that little bit history about the Python, then Python use cases where we can use the Python, then the installation of Python. Okay, so this is something I'll be telling you guys to do it by your own. Okay, then we'll see how we can execute the first program. Okay, and then we'll be learning few of the Python keywords, which are those Python variables, Python data types. Okay, then we'll be talking about the Python operators like plus, minus, arithmetic operations, how we can do it. Then if else is something we'll also see how to use the for loop, while loop, how the syntaxes are, and how we can execute those one. Okay, so those that part we'll see. Then the next thing we'll talk about the functions, and then the modules, what is modules, how we can use it, how we can call the custom modules, and then how we can handle the error in case of the Python program. These are the topics we'll see in a Python basics. Okay, and yeah, so let's go ahead and get started here with this particular session. Here you can see like what is a Python. So Python is considered as the high level programming language. Okay, and then Python is a versatile high level programming language known for its readability, simplicity, and the ease of use. Okay, so if I just compare the Python with any other language such as Java, then definitely Python is going to be very simple, okay, to use. And the all the things like the way we have the oops concept and everything. Okay, so those concepts supports here. Okay, so Python is also supports the oops concept, and then along with that the readability is really good in case of the Python, and it is a high level programming language. Okay, like here we just required a platform, and on top of that we can just go and simply run the language. Okay, so that's the reason it is considered as a high level programming language. Okay, so and then it's really easy to use. Okay, so if you guys have by any chance that if you have learned the Java, okay, so compared to the Java, definitely it's going to be the very easy. Okay, now this particular Python language is created by this Guido van Rossum, okay, who developed this in 1991. Okay, and then it is from there onwards it has become the one of the most popular languages. Okay, so these are the key features we have. So first one is what? Readability, right? Python syntax is designed for readability. Like in most of the cases, when we read the syntax, okay, we just able to understand that the what the code is written. Okay, then the facilitating easy code understanding and the maintenance. That's the reason. Let's say if I am the someone who is written the code, maybe because of its readability, the anyone who wants to do the maintenance, so for them also it is easier. Then this language is considered a interpretation. Okay, like it is the interpreted language executing the code line by line through an interpreter. Okay, and this is one of the very big difference that you can find it among the Java and the Python based language. Okay, so when it comes to the Python, okay, when it comes to Python, so Python is considered as an interpreted language. Okay, and when it comes to the Java, so Java is considered as a compiled based language. Okay, what is this difference you have? Okay, so here you need to understand that, let's say you have written some Java code. Okay, you have written some Java code. So when you wish to execute that code, so in that case you need to do the compilation first, and then you can go and run your Java program. Okay, and then the same case is not valid for the Python. Here in the case of Python, okay, how we do it? So it is